In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do Pinterest affiliate marketing. I'm also going to teach you how to pick the best niche for you. And finally, I'm going to show you the exact steps to get started. Even if you're a complete beginner, like promise, this will be an all-in-one video showing you practical steps to doing everything correctly so you can start earning money from Pinterest affiliate marketing. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. So what is Pinterest affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it means promoting affiliate products exclusively on Pinterest. While affiliate marketing, on the other hand, basically means you recommending useful and relevant products to people who need them. So for instance, John just bought a pet dog. And because of this reason, John is likely to look for the best food for his pet. Okay. So John can easily come over to platform like Pinterest.com to type in best dog food. And once he does this, he's going to see a lot of results which you can basically click on. Any of these websites here are going to list ideas recommending various dog products. Okay, you can see most of them here have visit site button right here, which means they are promoting their website on Pinterest. Okay, so if we click on this one as an example, if we go over to this profile, as you can see right here, this is a dog page promoting dog content, as you can see right here, with over 130,000 monthly views. I can assure you we're getting at least 10 to 15% of these views going to their website. And once anybody come over to their website and purchase any of the products, they are going to get a commission. And this commission ranges from anywhere from 10%, 20%, or even 80%, depending on whatever product you're promoting on Pinterest. And with over 1.4 monthly traffic going to Pinterest, I can tell you for free, Pinterest is definitely a gold mine. And this is simply because most affiliate marketers focus on mainstream platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, which means you want to take advantage of the relatively low competition on Pinterest compared to these other mainstream platforms. Now that you know how Pinterest affiliate marketing works and why Pinterest remains one of the best traffic sources for affiliate marketing, the next step is choosing a niche. Oftentimes than not, I see people picking niches based on passion. While that is absolutely fine, you should know passion in itself isn't enough to make you any real money in the affiliate marketing business. The sole determinant and the major driving force that ensure you make money in this industry is picking a proven profitable niche. Especially if you're someone who is looking to earn money to pay your bills in this crazy economy, or maybe you just want to support your family, or both. There are the two methods that is almost guaranteed to put money in your pocket. So if you're enjoying this video so far, I want you to go over to the comment section and type in money in the comments. And this is because I want to know the number of people who are really interested in making money online. All right. So the first method is using interest trend. Just like the saying, money flows where attention goes. This tool shows you what is currently trending on Pinterest. And with this data alone, you can basically know what people are currently interested in on Pinterest. All you just simply need to do is to look for a suitable and relevant product and put it in front of these people. It's that simple. You are likely to get sales as fast as possible. Okay. And the second method is evergreen niches. These are niches that will always be in demand as long as human exists. An example of such niches is fitness, relationship, make money online. You can find many of such niches. You go over to ChatGPT. All you just simply need to do is to type in a simple prompt like this. Give me 20 evergreen niches ideas, and it's going to list out a lot of them you can definitely go into. Okay. These two methods are the best ways I recommend picking profitable niches for Pinterest affiliate marketing. And that takes us to the third step where you want to simply create a Pinterest business account. This is very important. You don't want to create a personal account for this purpose. And the reason is because business accounts on Pinterest comes with so many benefits. It gives you access to important tools like analytics, performance insights, and other helpful tools can help you track and optimize your pins performance. Also, if you need to run ads in future, you can do that with a business interest account. All you just simply need to do is to go over to business.pinterest.com, and just like that, you can create a Pinterest account. And I highly recommend optimizing your business account. And also, you want to make sure to include a profile photo or a logo that resonates with the niche. And also, you want to use a niche related name. And this is because you want your account to connect with your target audience. And finally, I can't stress the importance of this enough. You want to make sure to go to the description and you want to enter keywords related to your niche. As you can see, this one here is about self-help. And here you can see they have so many related keywords in their description right here, which is going to give them a good SEO advantage and makes this page rank easily on Google. So the next step is setting up a landing page. I know this might discourage a lot of people, but don't get discouraged. The reason is because Pinterest doesn't like affiliate links. So that means you need to look for a workaround in order to promote affiliate links on Pinterest. And that is why the best practice is creating a landing page before sending your traffic to the product you're promoting. Okay. And there are so many options out there you can use, from googlesites.com, which allows you to create free landing pages. And also you can use paid ones like Breezy.io. And one cool feature of Breezy.io is that it has this AI website builder. All you just simply need to do is to enter a prompt and it's going to generate a website for you in less than 20 seconds, as you can see right here, which you can then simply add your affiliate link. You can grab that link and start promoting it on Pinterest. And that takes us to the fifth step, where you then want to join affiliate networks. And for those who don't know, these are platforms where you can find various affiliate products you can promote to your target audience. Okay. And this means you don't have to worry about creating any product yourself. All you simply need to do is to get the product in front of the right audience. And whenever you make a sale, you get a cut of that sale, which is also known as commission. And there are so many platforms out there. All you just simply need to do is to go over to Google. And if you type in best affiliate networks, you're going to see so many on Google, like ClickBank, Impact. You're going to see Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Max Bounty. There are so many platforms right here you can work with. And these are proven affiliate networks that are going to pay you once you request for your commission. And so you know, there is another option you can go for. This is by simply finding a direct affiliate program that helps you connect with the vendor of the product directly. This way, you can even negotiate for a higher payout for every sale you make. Is to go over to Google, and if you type in best affiliate program for your niche, if you type it right here, you're going to see a lot on Google, which you can join and you can start promoting. So once you've done all of this, that leaves us to the final and the most important step, which is to start posting pins on your Pinterest account. And these pins can be in form of tutorial, tips, educational content for your audience. The more value your audience receive from your pins, more they are likely to trust your recommendation. And if they trust your recommendations, it means whatever product you put in front of them, they are likely to purchase that product. Okay, so it's very important you post only high quality content for your audience. And it's also worth mentioning, you won't make money overnight because consistency is the key in Pinterest affiliate marketing. If you have a relatively new account, I highly recommend to start posting slowly. And this means posting one or two pins every single day. And the reason for this is because you want to build your trust score with the Pinterest platform. And also, as your account ages on the platform, you can then gradually increase your daily posting limit.